Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a quick video today. We have had a new plant arrival. It is coming up to the last day of 2024. We are also set at the moment to have a cold spell, which would be arriving sort of right in the new year. At the moment, keep checking the weather. It does seem to keep varying between sort of negative temperatures and just below freezing. But with that said, guys, the new plant that we have had arrive here, just come down here. This is a Fatsia polycarpa, green fingers. Now I have had this as an order from Amazon. Did just arrive today. Now with these are typically from originating from Taiwan. They are as supposed to be sort of pretty much fully hardy to semi-hardy. New growth can be frosted off. If there is a very long cold spell, you can just see here we do actually have some nice new leaves on this one as well. It does appear there is some damage, which you can see here, guys, which is a bit of a shame, but that should grow out quite quickly. I'm not too upset with that at the moment here. It does also have a few sort of pups, if you will, coming off the base here. Now, in regard to placement, I'm not quite sure where we're going to be placing this in the garden yet. I am thinking perhaps towards the sort of pond area. Once again, though, going to take a look in the spring. Now, as we are getting the kind of cold snap in the next few days, I won't be planting this out just yet, although they are hardy down to around about sort of -8 or so. Again, with it being new, not in the ground yet, not having any time to root, just want to make sure that this gets through the cold spell all right. Probably will plant it out somewhere in the middle of winter anyway, but again, just going to kind of play it by ear as it is quite small. Again, guys, what we'll be looking to do is bring this in just on the cold nights, bring it back outside as soon as that kind of passes here. I do love the kind of lovely leaf patterning you get with these, similar to kind of your standard Fatsia. It has more of a lobed kind of leaf, if you will, and of course these are quite small at the moment. It will get probably double the size of that here. Again, so looking forward to that kind of somewhat of a prehistoric jungly look here off the back of that one. But just to say, guys, of course, with the wrapping up at the end of the year, so far been a pretty mild winter, hoping that we do continue on with this kind of fairly mild weather. At the moment it is potentially coming down to another -4, which we have seen already earlier this year. Have ordered a few fleece bags, which we'll be putting over the Butea and possibly over the tree fern if it does get very, very cold. What we will be doing as well, guys, is on the small tree fern, the newest one. Again, I'll be probably looking to bring this in as it's not rooted, and again, you can just see here, guys, it is literally just placed on the top there, so that can go inside quite easily, just for the very, very cold period. Once again, coming straight back out after that here. Just off the back here, guys, you can just see all else is still fairly green. Here is our standard Fatsia japonica. Now this one here, guys, good sized leaves on these already. You can see inside, nice sort of stem and everything. Again, kind of fairly happy in this position. It's about 2 years old, this plant, and it's probably around about kind of 2 meters wide, meter wide, and about half a meter tall at the moment here. Just following from that, guys, just like to say, of course, early Happy New Year for everyone. If you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Any comments on any sort of other plants that could be interesting for the garden, of course, is always helpful. And with that said, of course, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the new year. Thanks for watching.